We lose ourselves in the spirit of things. We lose our sight when we put our trust in things of this material world.
Hello friends, this video is all about a very simple everyday summer makeup look. In summers, we don't like to wear heavy makeup, especially if you have oily skin like me. To watch similar videos like this one, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. I'm starting with the light moisturizer. This is Face Shop's aloe vera gel. This will provide some hydration to my skin without making it too heavy. I'm going to use a concealer to conceal my dark circles. If you want, you can totally skip this part. I'm going to set the concealer and my entire face with some powder.
Spirit of things, we lose our sight when we put our trust in things of this material world. The things that fade.
To provide some moisture to my lips, I'm using a lip balm.
Away, but we keep coming back, keep coming back, keep coming back.
For eyes, I'm first applying an eyeliner. It took me a very long time to learn how to apply eyeliner, but even now I struggle to match both the eyes.
Of things we know.
My makeup can never be completed without a mascara. Maybelline Slash Sensational is the best affordable mascara.
Of things we know.
Finally, for some color on my lips, I'm using a lip liner because lip liner lasts for a longer period of time and it is also very affordable.
Of things we know.
This is the final look. Very simple and hassle free. You just have to carry a compact when you feel oily or sweaty. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.